Hello, welcome to the immigration section of the UOB Justice Center website. Glad to have you. Disclaimer. The information provided on this site is not legal advice, but is provided for informational purposes only. If you are in need of legal advice, we advise you consult with an attorney. General legal information. Immigration is the intentional movement of people to a country of which they are not native to, or to where they do not possess citizenship. Immigration law refers to national statutes, regulations, and legal precedents that govern immigration into and deportation from a country. Immigration laws can vary from naturalization, citizenship, residency, and DACA. Although these topics are closely related, they have different processes that must be completed. Common immigration problems. Some common immigration problems include obtaining a green card or lawful permanent resident, visas and overstaying a visa, re-entering illegally after removal or deportation, change of status, and deportation. Your rights. California has laws in place that protect immigrants' civil rights. It is called the Truth Act, also known as the Transparent Review of Unjust Transfers and Holds. The Truth Act ensures that local law enforcement agencies provide individuals in their custody with basic due process and information about their rights should federal immigration authorities seek to contact them. Eligibility. When granting entry into the United States, the basis for entry can be based on many factors, such as family, in-demand work skills, refugee status, and asylum seekers, and more. The process of gaining legal immigration status also depends on which path you can pursue. The following slides will go into depth about the types of categories for eligibility. Family. As mentioned, if you are seeking legal immigrant status, you may be able to receive legal immigrant status through a relative who is a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. Immediate family members, such as spouses or children, are given higher preference. Employment. If you are seeking legal immigration status based on permanent employment opportunity, you must be eligible under one of the 5 categories of employment-based immigration. The 5 categories are priority worker and persons of extraordinary ability, E1, professionals holding advanced degrees and persons of exceptional ability, E2, skilled workers, professionals, and unskilled workers, E3, certain special immigrants, E4, and immigrant investors, E5. Capital investment. If you make a qualifying capital investment in the United States, you can also be eligible for immigrant status if the investment meets a certain amount, benefits the U.S. economy, and creates or saves a specific number of jobs. You must also file the Form I-526 Immigrant Petition by Alien Entrepreneur. Refugee. You can also be eligible for refugee status if you have suffered past or fear to be in the near future of being persecuted on the basis of race, religion, nationality, political view, or membership in a certain group. Diversity Lottery. The Diversity Visa Lottery Program is a program that provides visas to immigrants. The United States will make available a number of visas to a country of origin that has a low immigration rate to the United States. The State's Department will then select 110,000 applicants from the entry and then accept 50,000 of these applications and close the lottery. Forms/templates. As mentioned before, to be eligible for legal immigrant status under the capital investment category, you must file Form I-526 Immigrant Petition by Alien Entrepreneur. When filing this form, you will need your USCIS account number, name, social security number, address, employment history, and passport. You can access this form on the USCIS website along with more in-depth instructions for help on how to fill out the form. Once you have completed this form, you will need to mail it in to the USCIS Dallas Lockbox Facility. This has been an overview of the Immigration section of law on behalf of the ULV Justice Center. We thank you for your time and hope this information is helpful in your legal matter.